So guys, how to add placeholder for select tag in HTML? It's really simple. If we click on this drop down, as you can see, it's not selectable, but we can select others. On the left side, we have our basic code, and on the right side, we have our output. As you can see, we have our label tag with the text, weapon type, and inside we have our select and the options. Now to add placeholder, add another option, less than, option, value, equal, double quotation, leave it empty, less than, text for placeholder, suppose select your weapon, close it, less than, slash, option. Now go to the first tag, add another parameter, disabled. With this we cannot able to select this text, then selected. Now by default the select tag will show this text which is not selectable. Save the document, reload. See, it's really that simple. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.